To change theme in Z Flip 6, start by opening Settings, then scroll all the way down until you see the Themes option. Inside of this one, it will bring you to the Galaxy Themes store. Make sure you are signed into your Samsung account. And so we see paid themes here, but if we scroll to the very bottom, we should see the free themes. So select the theme you would like to add, and then select the download to download that theme. Now once downloaded, you can select apply, and at any time, if you want to use the default theme again, from the Galaxy Themes, select the menu, then select My Stuff, and then tap on the default, and then select the apply option.